Tca cycle and electron transport chain. What is Tca cycle? Tca cycle is a series of enzyme-catalyzed chemical reactions that form a key part of aerobic respiration in cells. After glycolysis, pyruvate is converted to acetyl coenzyme A in order to enter the citric acid cycle, producing one molecule of NADH and removing one molecule of carbon dioxide. The citric acid cycle takes place in the matrix of the mitochondria. First, acetyl coenzyme A bind with oxaloacetate to form citrate. Then, citrate becomes alpha-ketoglutarate while generating one NADH molecule and emitting carbon dioxide. Then, alpha-ketoglutarate is oxidized, carbon dioxide is removed, and coenzyme A is added to form succinyl coenzyme A, while another NADH molecule is formed. In the conversion of succinyl coenzyme A to succinate, one GTP molecule is released. Then, succinate is oxidized to fumarate, producing a molecule of FADH2. After that, hydration of fumarate to malate takes place. In the end, oxidation of malate to oxaloacetate is happening, producing one molecule of NADH. One Tca cycle produces 4 NADH, 1 FADH2, 1 ATP, and 3 carbon dioxide. As one glucose molecule produces 2 pyruvate molecules, the net production of the products of the Krebs cycle are 8 NADH, 2 FADH2, 6 carbon dioxide, and 2 ATP molecules. Then, what is electron transport chain? A group of compounds that pass electrons from one to another via redox reactions coupled with the transfer of proton across the membrane to create a proton gradient that drives ATP synthesis. Respiration produces 36 ATP from one glucose molecule. As electrons travel down the transport chain, the electrons are transferred between protein complexes and loss energy that is used to pump proteins across a mitochondrial membrane. This enables the maintenance of a proton gradient across the inner mitochondrial membrane, which in turn is used to run the ATP synthase to make the ATP that cells use for energy. So, by reoxidation of 10 NADH molecules, 30 ATP molecules are produced. And by reoxidation of 2 FADH2 molecules, 4 ATP molecules are produced in electron transfer chain. So this is the end of our video. We're group base 6 and thank you very much for watching.
Created using Powtoon.